Guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope everybody's doing well. It's been a long time I did this. It's a long time, if I said a long time, maybe more than a year. So, and to be quite honest with you, I have added a lot of weight. Before Christmas, I try as much as possible to reduce my intake. Good. But during Christmas, you know what holiday is all about. So I burned 5 kilo plus. I added it back. Now I'm weighing 96.8. Okay, is enough. It's affecting my health. It's affecting everything I do. My nails are hurting. A lot of things. So I have taken it upon myself. Okay, to cut down whatever it is. So today I'm going to start my normal workouts. I'm going to do my skipping, which I usually do 1,000, but right now I can't do that because of my health. I'm going to see if I can do 500, then I will embark on other activities, which I'm going to take you guys along. So, if this is what you want to watch, stay put. Don't mind what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my activities, but it's cold outside. I had to wear this. So, stay put, don't go away. Let's do this and see how it goes. And before we continue, please, if you like this video, to give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, I beg of you, please consider subscribing. 7 minutes for 500 skips. Okay. I'm done for today. Today is day one. I'm going to see how many days I can go like this. I'm going to repeat the same activities for a whole week. Then after a week, when I know that okay, I'm getting stable, I will try to look for something else, to add it up. All right, but I'm going to be slow and steady until I know where I'm going to. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you up again on my next video. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Take care of yourself and be good out there.